Hey everybody, I'm Daryl with Milling by Daryl here in Missouri. Getting ready to cut up this big piece of maple with this chainsaw. This is an 881 chainsaw. It's a steel brand, it's the biggest one they make, and you need that kind of power to cut through this kind of wood. I think I'm going to cut it off flush. This is 49 inches from top to bottom. Once I cut it off flush, I may make maybe 3 or 4 inch rounds out of it using the saw. We'll see. I'll just kind of see what the coloring looks like once this is off and it's flush. Anyway, I will post another video of me cutting this up. But if you like and subscribe, or excuse me, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. For now, it's a great day to mill. Milling by Daryl. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and cut probably 3 or 4 inch slabs or rounds out of this. We'll see how it goes. not expect that. All right. So there's some dangers involved with this, but look at this beautiful slab. Look at that. Beautiful. This is nature.